Welcome to our lesson. Today we are going to be looking at Microsoft Excel or Excel spreadsheet, where we'll be looking at conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is an Excel feature that automatically changes the appearance of cells. So this can happen through the color. The cell will automatically change the color or give the color according to the conditions that you have given it, or it can change the font, or it can change, it can bring an icon, or it can bring the bars. Yeah, so the bars, like the bar graph, but not the actual bar graph that we use when we enter figures. But this one comes when you conditional it. So today, we are going to specifically look at the color one. So we are going to conditional our cells using the color. That's what we'll be doing today. So this helps you to, one, highlight important information. When you want important information to automatically be highlighting itself whenever you have entered a certain value or data according to the rows that you have put in that condition. Also, it can help you to find high or low values. For example, the same one which we'll be doing today, we'll be looking at the school pupils' marks. So those who passed and those who failed. Then also it helps to identify duplicates. When the data is duplicated, meaning it's repeated, you can just give it a condition that whenever there is this data, there should be this color. Then automatically it will identify. Then also it helps to track deadlines. Yeah, when the date is that particular date, then the color will change on its own. Also compare data visually, just what I've said already. So this one helps to compare data visually, meaning by seeing the diagrams or other things that can tell about that particular data. Also analyze large amounts of data. Yeah, where you say, okay, all females should be this color, then all females will be that color. So without wasting your time, let's go to Excel and see what will happen. Yeah, so here, as you can see, we have children or pupils, names, and the marks which they got. So we are going to condition this according to their marks. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. So the way I've put it is that the pass mark is 50 marks, and of course most of the times the pass mark is 50 marks. So anything above 50, this person, it means he will pass. So now this means that the first step that we are going to do is just to highlight all the data, the cells that contains that data, then go to this. So the tab is the home tab. Then we are going to go in the group of style. So the style group, that's where conditional formatting is. So we're just going to click this drop here, then go to highlight cell rows. So we're going to highlight cell rows. Then from here, instead of using equal to or between or anything here, we are going to use greater than. So meaning that if any of these cells are greater than, already you can see it is showing the color here, which is here. But now we are going to say anything 49, as you can see, meaning anything 49. So it starts counting from 50, because if we put 50, then it will only start from numbers above 50. So we'll put 49. So anything above 49, automatically the color will change. So how do you put the color? So you come here, it is saying format cell that are greater than 49 with the, so we are going to go to color. Now here, I don't like the colors that are here, which are here. They're a bit dull, so I'll go to custom. And of course, most of the time, the good results represent green. So I'll get green, this one here. And I'll click. As you can see, everything has gone to green. So again, without the same highlight, while it's still there, you go back again and now tell it to highlight anything less than 50 should be red. So less than 50, anything that is less than 50, meaning 49 going down, For above, for greater than, is see 50 and above. So you have to put 49 so that it starts from 50, counting from 50. Now if we put 50 less, it means anything 49 going down is a fail. So we are going to format with the red. So like I said, I like red color, which is here. So I'll condition this one like this. So for it to look good, you can change the font color maybe to white and make it bold so that it's more visible to the person analyzing this data. So this is what it is. So you can do whatever you want just here. So highlight, bottom, data bars, the bars which I was talking about, colors, icon, so that when someone does this, then it will bring these icons here. So that's about conditional formatting. Thank you so much for watching.